Verifying ownership for Google Search Console on WordPress involves connecting your site to Google to monitor and improve its presence in search results. Here's how. Sign into Google Search Console. Go to Google Search Console. Click Add Property and enter your WordPress site URL. Choose a verification method. Google provides multiple methods. The easiest for WordPress users are Option A. HTML tag verification. Select HTML tag in the verification methods list. Copy the provided meta tag. Option B. File upload. Select Upload an HTML file. Download the file provided by Google. Add verification code to WordPress. If using HTML tag, install and activate an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO. Go to Yoast SEO, General, Webmaster Tools. Paste the HTML tag in the Google field and save changes. If using HTML file, access your hosting's file manager or FTP. Upload the HTML file to your site's root directory. Complete verification. Return to Search Console and click Verify. Google will confirm ownership if the tag or file is correctly added. Monitor and optimize. Once verified, use Search Console to track performance and resolve indexing issues.